The pigeons need more space in our farm. Drag the parts from the side menu to make new cages for them. Amazing! Hooray! Ready. Molly got playful and opened the cage, and the pigeons flew away. Drag the pigeons back to their cage. Amazing! We did it! Ready. Our pigeons are hungry. Drag the seeds from the sack to the feeder and the water to the water trough to feed them. Keep up the good work. We did it! That's all. There are carrier pigeons on our farm. Let's send a letter via pigeon mail. Tap on the door to the cave onto the perch. Drag the elements from the side menu to write and send a letter. Keep it up. Keep up the good work. That's all. Our ants worked too hard and completely forgot to clean up after themselves. Let's help them. First, we need to tap on it. Tap on the debris to clean them up. You are doing really great. Don't stop. Ready. Let's feed our hard workers. Drag the bag with the food onto the terrarium to feed the ants. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Ready. Let's set up a playground for our ants. Drag the objects on the suitable places. Done! The ants ran out of water in their waterers. Let's fill them. Tap on the waterers to take them off. Tap on the foam rubber to take it away from the waterer. Don't stop. Great. Now drag the dropper onto the waterers to fill them with water. You did it! Now drag the foam rubber onto the waterers to close them. You're doing really great. Well done! Now drag the waterers back to their places. That's all.